So maybe you're wondering, Leah, what the heck is that in your hand? Well, I'll tell you this much. If you've got a small shop and space is an issue, you may want one of these things. I'm going to tell you what it is and how to use it coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill, and if this is your first time here, can I just say welcome to you. We're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome as well. Now in the beginning of the video I showed you this thing here. Now what it is a cyclone dust collector. If you've got limited space in your shop, this could really be perfect for you. It's compact in size. It rests on a 5-gallon bucket, about the size of a shop vac, but unlike a shop vac, it doesn't have a filter that's going to get clogged with dust. And on top of that, you know, I have a larger unit in my shop and it was pretty pricey, so you can save money as well. Now it works in combination with a wet-dry vac, and you're gonna need a 5-gallon bucket as well. Now there's not much to putting it together. Included with each centrifuge is nuts, bolts, and washers. Also included is a gasket, and that really is all there is involved in putting one of these dust collection systems together. Now I'm going to mark the locations where each bolt goes. Next I'm going to take a hole saw, a 3-inch hole saw, that's what this is here, and I'm going to drill a hole right here in the center of our bucket. Now if you don't have a 3-inch hole saw, you can use a utility knife or a jig saw. Now that I've got my center hole cut out, I can concentrate on drilling the holes for my bolts. Now I've got a little bit of a jagged edge, so I'm just going to take some sanding screen and just knock that down a little bit. Okay, now it's time for us to attach our cyclone to the lid of our bucket. We're taking our gasket and we're lining them up with the holes that we've drilled. Once you have all your bolts and nuts attached, you want to flip it over, take a ratchet, cinch down each one of those nuts. And you want your top to look like this here. Now you definitely want to have some adapters on hand just to make certain that you get a really tight fit with those hoses, and you might even want to consider having a few worm clamps on hand as well. Now it's time for us to hook up our dust collector to our shop vac. Now the top port here to the centrifuge, that's where you want to attach the hose that goes to the shop vac. Now the side port here is where you connect the hose to the tool that you're going to use. Okay, let's test this thing out. Now I'll place a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.